The jungles of Cowichan Bay. Deep in the jungles of Cowichan Bay. Way up high in the trees, you can hear the noises. Listen. Sounds like the jungle, doesn't it?
It does. Yeah, sounds like we're in Costa Rica. Sounds like howler monkeys and...
Deep in the Canadian jungles here on the west coast of Canada, southern Vancouver Island, they're like pterodactyls flying over. These are big birds.
Thank God they don't eat people.
Oh yeah.
Back in the day.
See them flying over?
See the herons, yeah. And they're beautiful birds, but they just sound really awful. They're actually kind of quiet right now. It almost smells like pigs.
Yeah.
So much for peace of the world.
Yeah. Mother Nature. I can see them up in the nest there. The mother feeding them. That one right there. That's why they're making all the noise. It's non-stop all day. They probably feed them.
Oh